Oh! Clear Brayford! Come on, car, clear. Brayford needs to go! Brayford needs to go! Come on, car, move! Brayford's got Hangman! 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 I'll keep continuing. I'll let you quickly watch Brayford Hangman. I'll have to wait for a car to move off her. So I can't zoom. Clear the Brayford, you stupid cars. Why don't park in track? Come on, Brayford. You're about to do a random reset. Right, she's finally finished off. We'll wait for 153 3014 to go plot full 5 off to Adwick. That's why I never worked full time. If I was Rowan Brayford, I'd have got my hammer and cleared up that car. You know I would. I'd have got my hammer and cleared the car. That was at least Brayford's 18-second hangman. 2 seconds more, she'd have malfunctioned for the rest of the day. It's actually a fact. 20 seconds of any gate having to wait caused the crossing to malfunction for a long time after. At least a few hours. If the rest of the day. More than 153. The signal's only just cleared anyways. 25. She wants to pull. Here she goes. One, 153 304. One, 153 304 off to Adwick. We got the longest day thanks to Brayford Hangman. Classical idiots.